and welcome to today's video, which is going to be about keeping up with my routine. I start my routine with this Khadi Natural Herbal Face Wash. I love it because it cleanses my pores. I go ahead with moisturizer plus sunscreen. I use Biotic Bio Morning Nectar. It keeps the skin hydrated along with protecting your skin from UV harmful rays. I love to prime my face. For that, I use this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I apply it before the foundation. I go ahead with the Bobbi Brown Foundation. As you can see, it just seamlessly blends into your skin. A little bit of highlighter. So the highlighter here I'm using is in color. Pretty but natural. Last step which I make sure to follow is my mascara. Using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express waterproof mascara. Now my whole face look is done. I'm just going to add my favorite lipstick, which is this Maybelline's Lust for Blush. That's it, and I'm done for the day. I hope you really liked this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.